In this video, I'll show you how to compare two Excel sheets data. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this Excel file and here I have two sheets and both of these sheets are similar except some quantities. You can see the pens quantity is 118 and the markers quantity is 33, but the quantities are different here. You can see 120 and 35. So we are going to highlight the differences. So for that we need to compare these two sheets. So how to do that? Just select your first sheet just like this, including the headings. Now click on home tab and right here we need to click on conditional formatting, click on new rule and now click on the last option here. So now here we need to type the equal to sign and now give them the reference. So this is the reference in my case, so I'll just select this one and now here we need to remove the dollar sign. So for that you can just use your mouse and backspace from your keyboard. So let me remove both of these dollar signs and now here we need to type not equal to sign just like this. Once you do that, now it's time to get back to the second sheet. So just open the second sheet and now here we need to give them the reference again just like this and remove the dollar signs from here as well. Once you remove dollar signs, click on format, go to the fill section and here choose any color to highlight the differences. So the color I'll choose is this one, let's suppose. Click on OK and click on OK here again and yeah, you can see we have highlighted the differences. And yeah guys, that's how you can compare two sheets in Excel. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.